I'm going to do a quick video on my handguns. I started off, all these guns have been safety checked. Started off on my Taurus PT92 decocker model. Keep 15 plus round clip in there. I got my ballester molina 45, it's Colt replica. Ran the serial numbers, came back to around 1953 this thing would have been manufactured. Single stack, 7+1 mag. Two little mouse guns. Got a little cheap Jennings J22. I believe it's a 6+1 Pastine 22 long rifle. Barrel has been trimmed. Make it a little bit more reliable. I'll be giving that to my sister when I see her on Thanksgiving. So I have a excam, I don't know how to pronounce it, a little 25 ACP. I believe it's 8+1 capacity. This actually isn't a bad little 25. Hide it anywhere. And I have my gun I got when my grandfather passed away. It's a Mark I 22 Ruger. I don't ever shoot this gun very much. But it is very accurate. And so far that's all the handguns I have.